Well, hey guys, welcome to the mess in the aft and in the back of my, I don't know, freaking, where is the light? I'm trying to test this mic, which is amazing. Okay, fuck. I don't understand. Is this angle teda or am I sitting teda? Oh, I think the angle is teda. Because I find this to be thoda aisa.
Eternity later.
So, hey guys, it's me Rachel. After I figured out everything in this whole entire angle, which I still don't know. Should I like talk with the mic like this? Like, is this better? Today we'll be talking something deep about aviation because how many times, no matter how many times I've made this video saying whatever I'm going to say ahead in this video, people don't tend to understand. So today I will be making a detailed video about what kind of course you need to do when you come into aviation and if a course is needed or not. So without any disturbance, let's move on to the video. You guys forget that. Forget this video for this 1 second. I got this cute little puffy accessory for my mic, which apparently just wait. Oh my god! It's so cute! Oh my god, look at it. Wait. Look at it. It's like Jigglypuff. But like the cuter Persian version of it. Cuter version. ASMR. Nena lagiya barishaw. This is just a nib. What am I saying? What the fuck? So guys, I've written few questions that majority of my kidzos from the age 15 to 18 have when joining aviation. Now you ask me, like, is aviation the best place to be in for the very start of your career? I'd say if you like customer service and if you want to get into hospitality, aviation is the first and the best option you have. Period. Scheduling is super crazy. You go bonkers over everything. It takes at least 2 to 3 years to, manage yourself as well. But if you
love talking to people and like exploring new places.
many of you guys have asked me this question saying, do we need to do any particular course or get a diploma with this particular aviation, institutes? I'd say personally, my own personal favors is please don't get a diploma, please don't get a PhD, please don't get an MBA, please don't get a BBA. Whatever you learn in those particular, I don't know, institutes, you learn when you join the company. So basically, when you join the company, you have a 3 months or 6 months or 2 months का एक लंबा कोर्स जहां आपको सेफ्टी से लेके कस्टमर सर्विस से लेकर पॉलिसी से लेके सब कुछ सिखाते हैं. So you do not need extra co-curricular PhDs. What the fuck is co-curricular PhDs? You don't need extra PhDs basically. You don't need to join any institutes, frankly speaking, if you know what I mean. You don't need to join anything. It's a choice also. If you want to join, but I'll say it'll be like, of no use because anyways, when you join a company, you'll have to give them a 50,000 का DD, demand draft, जो आपको 3 साल बाद बोनस के साथ मिलाकर मिलता है. So, yeah, it's with every airline except for an international airline, I think. But Indian Airlines के लिए यही है policy. Can we study and work? I am studying and working. I currently study with NMIMS, which has a global certification for everything, and I'm doing the course BBA. I've done my course. They are very, they help you with getting onto the course, to getting your exam schedule for yourself, everything. So studying and going and doing work is no pressure because we have a lot of cabin crew members who are doing online courses and are amazing at it, honestly. And if you ask me, can we do dance after going? Yes, I'm dancing. I'm still dancing. My friends are still dancing. We also take part in our company's talent hunts or talent shows or whatever. We have stuff. We get to do everything, but it takes time to manage, adjust. It takes time. You need it. It'll take good whole years, yeah, I say. But it's fun. You guys can join in. It's amazing. What's the salary range? Salary range, I cannot tell you exactly how much, but when you just join, your basic is from, when I say basic, that's like 50 hours करने पे, चाहे तुम फ्लाइट करो या ना करो, 50 घंटे कंप्लीट होने के बाद ये तुम्हारा बेसिक सैलरी आएगा ही आएगा. That is going to be from the range of 25 to 30. इससे ज्यादा I'm not going to say. ऊपर से फ्लाइंग आवर्स मिलेंगे तो मे बी वो माइट इंक्रीज अप एंड डाउन, ऊपर नीचे होते रहेगा. सो दैट इज वन. इवेंचुअली व्हेन यू कंप्लीट योर्स, आपका 4 4 6 6 10 10 12% बढ़ता है अपेरेंटली, बट हाँ, that's the basic requirement to become a cabin crew. To be a cabin crew, you are in Indigo, you're supposed to be 155 centimeters, and you were supposed to have no scars, very confident with your English, Hindi, Marathi, any language. What's the growth within the company? Wow, people have been asking me such talented questions जो मेरे को भी बोलने नहीं हो रहा. But to in the company, तुम first join करोगे as a trainee cabin attendant, ट्रेनिंग क्रू, बिकॉज 3 महीने तुम ट्रेनिंग करोगे, इनिशियल ट्रेनिंग होगा तुम्हारा, तो यू आर बेसिकली अ वेरी न्यूबी कैबिन क्रू. देन यू बिकम अ कैबिन क्रू, then you become a senior cabin attendant, then you become an in-flight manager, but you have to apply for it when the company sends IJP. And IJP का मतलब है internal job posting. I think I said it right. मैंने तुक्का मारा है, मैं पहले बता रही हूँ, मुझे नहीं पता. I'm an in-flight manager, aka leads in Indigo, or you can just be, after being a lead, you can be a core lead. Then after being a core lead, you can be a check lead. And if you want, you can switch back to being an in-flight executive. अभी in-flight executive क्या होता है वो बेस पे देखता है, क्रू आ रही है कि नहीं, मेल करते रहता है, everything. There's a lot of shit between inside it because I have no idea. They have a lot of work on ground with the cabin crew. So that's a different thing. That's the only thing. These are questions. Wow, my freaking. You guys are. आज तक कोई नहीं मिला है मुझे मेरे YouTube से कोई भी आके बोला है मैं रेचल हो गया मेरा इंडिगो में, मैं हूँ हैदराबाद बेस, मैं हूँ बॉम्बे बेस, मैं हूँ दिल्ली. अरे बोलो ना कर, मुझे भी सुनना है. Even I want to know what you guys are doing in life. Come on, comment down below. Anyways, आज के लिए बस इतना ही. मैंने शॉर्ट और क्रिस्पी बनाया है तुम लोग के लिए, ताकि तुम लोग बोर ना हो जाओ. तो या अगर तुम लोग को ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो प्लीज लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब और बेल आइकन प्रेस कर लेना, ताकि जब भी मैं पोस्ट करूँ आपको दिखे. और ज्यादा से ज्यादा अगर और सवाल आए आपको, इफ यू हैव मोर क्वेश्चंस, कमेंट डाउन बिलो. मैं सवालों का जवाब दूंगी. सो प्लीज 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 बोल के मत बोलियो, मैं आ जाऊंगी. आप सवाल तो करो, मैं तो ऐसा आएगा ना, ऐसा ऐसा कसं काय. बाय. I love this mic though. He looks like, I don't know how it looks like Michael Jackson but with hair, or Joker but with hair. So did Michael Jackson. Anyways,